Hi there, students. Irascible, an adjective. Irascibly, the adverb. And I guess the noun irascibleness. Okay, irascible is an adjective that we use to describe people. This is somebody who gets angry really easily. He's an irascible, bad-tempered old man. He seems to have got out of bed on the wrong side this morning, and he's more irascible than usual. Bad-tempered, choleric. Yeah, he's got a short temper. He gets angry very quickly. Okay, so you describe a person as irascible. Yeah, they've got a hot temper and they're easily provoked to anger. Yeah, his irascibility is due to the gout in his foot. Yeah, his irascibleness gets worse every month. So he irascibly shouted at me. So yeah, crabby, cranky, crotchety, grouchy, grumpy, irritable. Yeah, petulant, quick-tempered. Yeah. Snappy as well, okay, or snippy as well, waspish, that's quite a good word. Okay, so, yeah, an irascible old teacher. The irascible old teacher is always shouting at us. He has a very irascible temper, yeah. My boss is very irascible, yeah. I always get irascible responses from him. Angry, yeah. So yes, irascible, somebody who gets angry easily. They're easily angered. He shouted at me irascibly. He didn't have any patience at all. His response was so irascible that I thought he must be having a bad day. Short-tempered, hot-tempered, somebody who gets rather narky. Oh, come on, don't be so irascible. Calm down, have a cup of coffee, and I'm sure you'll feel better soon. Yeah, irritability, easily provoked to outbursts of anger. Yeah, my irascible old aunt is someone you must not try ringing before midday because she's just so bad-tempered. Okay, irascible. How formal is this? I think I'd probably give this a 6.5 in formality. Would you? I don't think I would use this in an informal conversation. Maybe I even give it a 7. He's so quick-tempered. He's so bad-tempered. Yeah. He gets narky very quickly. He's so cranky. These are all probably much more informal ways of saying the same thing. So irascible, use it in semi-formal and formal contexts. It's another word that comes from Latin through French. The Latin word is irascibilis. Irascibilis, meaning, irascible. Notice this word actually comes from ira, anger, or ire. We have ire as a word in English, ire, anger, irate, yeah? Yeah, somebody who is irascible gets irate very quickly, yeah? Their ire seems to be unending. Their ire is easily triggered, okay? So, irascible, somebody who gets angry, gets upset very quickly. Okay, so, are you irascible in the mornings before you have your coffee? Come on, don't be so irascible, yeah? Every year he gets crankier, grouchier, and more irascible. Yeah, so yeah, don't be such a horrible, irascible old old person. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Irascible, irascibly. Irascibility, irascibleness.